Good evening, folks. Thanks so much for clicking your way to myhighplains.com. Meteorologist Lilja here, taking a look at Pinpoint 3D Tide Radar, brought to you by Attorney Dean Boyd. And what we are looking at this evening, this next area of low pressure, well off to our west right now. Here we are back in Amarillo, well back off to the west. Each one of these lines right here represents what a different computer weather model suggests our weather will look like over the next couple of days. More specifically, the track of this area of low pressure. Now, for the most part, they're all on the same page as we take it through parts of Arizona and then into southern New Mexico. But then after that, take a look at this. I mean, they're kind of all over the map here on where this next track will go. And that's really going to dictate our weather over the next couple of days. Because further to the north, like usual, less in the way of precipitation. Further off to the south, too far south, no precip. Really, you want it to be kind of right in the middle. You want either the yellow or the green guy here, really, in order for us to pick up a decent swath of rain or snow across the high plains. We wouldn't do bad here either. And, well, the red line, not necessarily what we're looking for. Kind of the same goes as you're dealing with a car. Yes, you don't want to redline it. You don't want to redline it with a forecast either. So if it does follow that red path, it ends up well down to our south. And you'll notice the snow showers, even the rain showers, down off to the south of the area. Here's Amarillo, back toward Clayton, Perryton, all less dry. We might get a little bit of drizzle, maybe some very light showers. But really, Clovis and Childress are really going to get the actual showers. Maybe a little bit of rain in Childress, a little bit of snow in Clovis. But other than that, too far to the south, no, we end up high and dry. Okay, so what happens if it goes too far to the north? Well, if it goes too far to the north, we'll end up with rain showers in Childress, even back in here toward town. But look at this, kind of like our New Year's Eve and New Year's Day storm. As it moves through, we get dry slotted back behind it, and we only end up with rain or snow showers for a short period of time. Here in town, probably a rain-snow mix before it pushes on out of here. We get snow on the backside of it, and then we're done. And that's it. Not much in the way of any precipitation. What we really want to happen is we kind of want to split the difference here. Now, unfortunately for your traveling, that means a lot of snow, but it also means the most moisture. We split the difference. We get rain out ahead of this guy. It'll switch to snow, and then we'll get light snow showers on the backside of this before it kicks on out of here. The nice thing is it could drop. One of the weather models suggesting this track actually anywhere between 4 and 6 inches of snow. Now, it is the outlier, and so I don't want to say, hey, we're going to get 4 to 6 inches of snow, but the possibility is there for a decent swath of moisture across the high plains, and folks, we'll take it. Even if it has to come frozen before it melts, we'll take all the precipitation we can get. So, what are we looking at? Here's our GFS. This is our in-house model. We look at it a lot. I like it because it paints our weather picture with kind of a broad stroke of the brush, but lately, it's done pretty good. It suggests, here we are, Tuesday morning, 8 a.m., rain showers, just rain for some of our southeastern counties, and then as we move through the day on Tuesday, here we are, 6 o'clock, still just rain here in Amarillo and points off to the south and east. You're high and dry back toward Guymon, Boise City, Clayton, even back toward Tucumcari. Maybe some light drizzle, maybe even a snow flurry or two, but that's about it. And then here we are on Wednesday morning. The rain is pushed back off to the south and east, and then it kicks on out of here as we move into the days on Thursday and Friday. Speaking of which, Thursday and Friday, very warm, very windy. But then, here we are on Saturday in the morning, some more rain showers, some more snow showers perhaps, even lingering into the day on Sunday. So even if we get through this next storm system, the one back behind it could be bringing us another opportunity for some precipitation. Like I said, we'll take it all. So here we are for tomorrow. 22 degrees as you wake up, 26 in Borger, and 19 in Dumas. We'll be at 22 in Tucumcari, folks. And then for tomorrow afternoon, not bad. Hey, how about 51 here in town, 46 in Dumas, 46 in Tucumcari. A little breezy, winds out of the southwest at about 10 to 20 miles an hour or so. Not bad. And then as we head into the day on Monday, 52 here in town, 49 in Dumas, 47 back toward Guymon. Still chilly in Clayton at 39 degrees. Your day planner for tomorrow, 22 here in town, 45 by lunch, 51 degrees by the afternoon. UV index is going to be a 2, so do bear that in mind. And taking a look at the week ahead, again, not bad for the next 2 days. 51 and 52 for your Sunday and Monday. A little breezy for tomorrow, but not bad. And here's what I'm looking at. So I think it'll start out as rain. We'll switch to kind of a rain-snow mix as we move through the day on Tuesday and into Wednesday. I think Wednesday morning will be all snow before switching back to a rain-snow mix and eventually snow again back behind it. Here we are, topping things out above freezing. That's the good thing. which means if any of the snow does come down, it will have an opportunity to accumulate. But if it doesn't stay all snow, if we go back and forth between rain and snow, that means no accumulating snow and no freezing or icy patches on the roadways until we get into the overnight hours. Of course, dropping things down to 26 degrees for your Wednesday morning. But take a look at what happens on Thursday and Friday. With those winds out of the southwest, 20 to 30, upwards of 40 miles an hour, we heat things up rather nicely. How about 60 degrees for your Thursday, right around 60 on Friday before that next system rolls on through Friday into Saturday to cool us back down into the 30s. Again, we'll be watching this over the next couple of days. We won't leave you high and dry on Tuesday and Wednesday. We've got you covered here on KAMR and right here on myhighplains.com.